I am Mega Charizard X here. Welcome to our Hard Goal Extreme Randomizer Nuzlocke. If you don't know what Extreme Randomizer Nuzlocke is, in this thing we catch Pokemon and they are randomized. Everything will be randomized, even the evolutions. We have skipped all the boring part where we go to the professor and get the Pokemon. So now we will be going to the professor's lab. And we are running into a Pokemon. Let's see. It's a Silicoon. So my starter is a Garchomp. We will use Air Slash and the Silicoon died. We got 41 EXP points. So now we have to go back. We have to go back to Newbark Town because Professor Elm called us. And we are running into another Pokemon. This time it's a Lombre, level 2. We cannot catch any Pokemons because we do not have any Pokeballs. So all we can do is just kill them. So the wild Lombre fainted. Garchomp gained 40 XP points. Now we are trying to make our way back. And we ran into another wild encounter. It is a Loudred. This time I will be running from this Loudred. So it looks like we are about to reach the city, and we have reached Newbark Town. Now we have to go to the professor's lab. I think so this is the professor's lab. No, this is our house. So this is not the professor's lab. This is the professor's lab. So now we are in the professor's lab, and who are you? We are investigating the case of rule number 1. Whoever did will come back to the... Oh my god. And some police is investigating us. Lyra, hold on a second. And the police is blaming us for stealing Pokemon. Now we have to name our rival. Let's see what we will name him. We will name him Gary, after the rival from Fire and Red. Okay. We will click on OK. I see. So Gary was his name. Yes. Thanks for helping my investigation. My next assignment is to search for the red individual. And the policeman leaves. Lyra, Ash, see you later. So now Lyra is also leaving. Professor Elm. We handed the mystery egg to Professor Elm. Huh? This is an egg? So now I think he will give you some Pokeballs. He is telling us to take on the gym challenge and then battle the gym leaders and then become the champion. So now we have to go to the Violet City gym. So I think so. He told us to talk to our mom, but we are not interested in talking to our mom. We are leaving the town. Oh no. Lyra is stopping us. There you are. You can catch wild Pokemon. Follow me. Now she will give us a boring tutorial on how to catch wild Pokemon. Everybody knows how to catch these wild Pokemon. And now they are jumping in the... She did not even tell us anything. Now she is gonna tell us properly. So she encountered a wild Caterpie. She sent out Trico because she sent out Trico because it is randomized, and in randomized anything can happen. Trico used Tail Glow. What is this? Trico's special attack rose. The Wildcat have used Poison Tail. So now he has poisoned this Trico. So now she is telling us to throw some Pokeballs at it. You have 20 Pokeballs and you will give me only 5 Pokeballs. That's very bad. So she threw her Pokeball at it. And she caught it. So in Randomizer Nuzlocke, you can only catch one Pokemon per route or a new area. So that's the rules. And we obtain Pokeballs. I think we get 5 Pokeballs. So now that she is... So we will save the game for now and we will meet you in another episode. Bye.